Hi! Today it's gonna be fun. It's a relaxing day and I think this is the right time to relax because we work too much in Finland. Now we're going to Estonia. Going. Can you show your bag? Oh my god. It's bulky. See you there.
Are you excited about the trip, the cruise? A bit?
A bit.
What?
Just a bit.
Oh la la.
Hello, we're going out now. We're outside and waiting for Jovi and M. They will pick us up because we are poor. We don't have car. We are poor. And I will try my best not to take lots of video here because one day we're away from our mansion. So I need to reserve some memories. What's your expectation with this travel? Any expectation?
I don't have any expectations, but of course I know it's going to be fun. I have my crazy friends with me, so I'm only looking forward for the fun we are gonna have.
Yay! I'm waiting for you to ask me
What are your expectations for the cruise?
My expectation is unexpectable.
Unexpectable.
I don't know what should I expect. I just go with the flow. What will happen?
You
It
have
will
a stars.
I'm just thinking about the buffet, the food, the wind, the crazy people surround me, the room, and the sleeping mode. That's it. They are here. Put your bag. Put your bag, it's heavy. Hello? What? Understandable. I thought we have the biggest bag, but they have luggage.
Why did you jump from that side?
Hello.
I swear, hey Amy, she's like that.
They're here.
Excited.
You know what excites me the most? I'm living away from Finland. I'm going to other country.
Alright.
See you next year.
We are coming back after one night.
Everyone. Now we're heading to.
Kaikki kuulee. Terkkuja
Where will we park your car?
Okay, everyone's quiet.
We're going to the cruise.
No niin. Nyt sieltä tuli.
We have a car.
Tuli hi.
Bye bye Finland. Ready? Huh? Excited?
Excited, proper excited.
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 I'm the travel siya. Sulat ka ha. Write a letter ha. Bing bing.
Jenny asked me to bring her my
Bang bang, bye bye. Don't leave us. We're going there. There. Goodbye. So we're here, and that's the ship to Tallinn. See you inside. So everyone is excited.
You say that you will love me every night and day.
Walk properly. They're walking. We need to protect ourselves if you want to come back here in Finland safe and sound. See you there. We need to check in, and Jovi has everything, all the tickets. Nothing.
That's weird.
You're not used to use masks, right? But there's no social distancing. There's lots of people here. Say okay. This is where you can take your ticket. Check. So we have Fi and Jordan with us. They're over there. I want to ask you, what are your expectations? What is your expectation with this trip?
Just nothing much. Relaxation. Still alive when we get back. Yeah, that's about it.
That's it. Okay, thank you.
Another Titanic.
Shut up! Don't mention it. Now we're heading to the ship, so they check our passport and our tickets. Yep. Yeah. And this girl is happy because they thought that she's still young, underage. Yeah. Wanna join?
Him also.
Join? Bye bye. My room is over there. It's a big one. So this is Silja Europa. Silja Europa. The name of the ship. We're not alone. They're there.
There's a holding house.
I hate my mask on. So we just got inside, and I'm tired walking. Jenny, you're always beside me.
No, I'm tired of walking.
So we need to find our room. We found our room. Okay, our room. We're fine. Oh my god. That's it. A small one. Welcome to our palace. Yay! Let me have a... So this is our room. The other one is doing her gymnast. The other yoga. Yoga. Ow. Johnny, shut up. Look.
What do you call this part?
Yeah, just so easy to love. And I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love.
We are moving. Hi. Hey, what happened to this? I'm curious. The glass have lots of
No way, someone just got something as scratched.
Wow.
We will do everything to make you feel comfortable and enjoy the trip. We will arrive in Tallinn at 22:00. On behalf of the crew, I wish you a pleasant voyage. Thank you for the attention.
Thank you for the speaker. This is our room. Very small. Really. Jenny, you ruined my video. You're flushing the toilet. We're going down and find something in the shop because we are hungry. Our buffet are a bit later. What time is it?
I don't know.
You don't know. It's 7. Hi! Today it's gonna be fun. It's a relaxing day and I think this is the right time to relax because we work too much in Finland. Now we're going to Estonia. Very nice view here. Oh, there is something over there. What is that? It looks like a Kamigan in Finland, Philippines. I think it's good to sit here and while waiting for the sunset, isn't it? Right?
It is. It is what it is. Drama queen.
Relax. I see you. I'm hungry, come on. I'm hungry, come on. We are in the corridor. I don't want anyone there with their things. So every corner have a room. So I forgot which one is our room. Welcome. So we're looking for our room. Actually, we just get out from the room and we are going to the shop and find our colleagues. Okay, there's no way here. Jen. Hello. I think we're lost.
No. We can't get lost.
Now our... Oh, look at that. This is really a long way. I can't see it because I can see your head. I can see your head.
I know.
So exit. So this is a really big ship. How many floor?
It's
We had here? Floor. Oh yeah, because there's an exit here. You need to figure out which way. And then there's exit. There's also exit. Next one. We left Finland around 18:30. It's 6:30. So the whole night we will be here inside the ship, and we will reach Estonia around what time? I think it's 8. So there is disinfectant also here. We are minding our own business now.
It's down.
Down. We need to find our friends. By the way, we remove our mask but we will take care of ourselves. Like, really, if there are a crowded place, we will put our mask on. So we are here in the game area.
Yeah.
What's so good about watching a sunset? There is a nature. I don't know why you guys don't appreciate those stuff. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, but in the video it's not. It's too bright. I don't know. Okay. It's already sunset. Can you see that? It's too beautiful. We will just wait a bit here. Even Jenny doesn't want it because I don't know, she can appreciate nature. But me, it's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. Look! And then we're lost. I don't know where's the others. Really, watch it. See? Bye-bye!
I can even focus on sleeping.
Oh, tiny one. Look. Last glance. Bye. Ooh, dot. Wow. Bye-bye. And the party begins. And the Dracula is coming. The different color here. Hello! It's been a long time. Yeah, so this is your room. Of course, it's all the same.
Yeah. Except we have these and you don't.
Yeah.
Hey, beautiful.
This is my granny. Here, they are ready. They have food. And our room is empty.
We have nothing.
We have nothing. Allow me to include you in my vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, they are my friends. Introduce yourself.
My name's Pardon.
Holden. And you don't need to because you are already there. And
Biggie.
Biggie. What is your expectation with this trip?
Positive energy. That's it.
Good. And you?
Keyword safety. Keyword safety.
I noticed that. Wow, I will not read it. So there's lots of shops here.
I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every day.
We did the shopping today. I had this, and she has already shopped about. But we will not tell you what's inside. It's a secret, right?
Only us to know.
Yeah.
It's just right there.
Okay. I'm so happy. Okay, we need to go back to our room. And it's 9:22. So everyone have their own parties. Just walk as much as you can.